Direct replacement. This door mirror turn signal light is designed to match the fit and function of the original light on specified vehicles. Ideal solution. Reliable replacement for a light that has failed due to moisture infiltration or collision damage. Durable construction. This light is made from quality components to ensure reliable performance and a long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. We offer a comprehensive line of lighting components that includes headlights, side marker lights, tail lights and much more. Our lighting components are direct replacements for a proper fit. Top reviews from the United States. Good enough for the price. These fit great for me. 2014 Ram 2500. They do not light up when the parking lights are on. They only flash when the truck is locked or unlocked and flash when the turning signal is on.